Are you looking to add a touch of magic to your business or website? Maybe you want to automate some tasks or provide 24/7 customer support. Well, then look no further than chatbots. In this video, I will be exploring the amazing world of chatbots and how you can build your own completely free with no coding required. We'll be using Typebot, which is a fantastic platform that lets you create conversational apps and forms visually just by dragging and dropping pre-made blocks. Before we dive into Typebot, let's quickly understand what chatbots are and why they are so awesome. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. Chatbots often treat conversations like they are a game of tennis. Talk, reply, talk, reply. Now that we're on the same page, buckle up because I'm going to unleash our creativity to explore 7 incredible chatbot ideas you can build with Typebot literally today. Number 1 is the superstar FAQ bot. Imagine a tireless assistant who can answer all your customers' frequently asked questions. That's the magic of an FAQ chatbot. With Typebot, you can easily build one using text bubbles for displaying answers and buttons for users to navigate through different categories. This chatbot can save you tons of time and effort by handling those repetitive questions, allowing you to focus on more complex issues. 2, the friendly quiz master. Want to generate leads, boost engagement, or simply have some fun with your audience? A quiz chatbot is a perfect solution. Typebot's logic blocks allows you to create branching conversations based on the user's choices. Here's how it can work. You can design a quiz with multiple choice questions using text bubbles and input blocks based on the user's answers. Then the chatbot will direct them to different parts in the conversation, ultimately revealing their results and maybe even offering a special discount or personalized recommendations. 3, the personalized product recommender. Help your customers find the perfect product with the chatbot recommender. This chatbot can use a series of input blocks to gather information about the user's preferences like size, style, or budget. Based on their answers, the chatbot can then display relevant product information using text bubbles and images. You can even integrate this chatbot with your online store to allow users to seamlessly add the recommended products to their cart, creating a smooth and personalized shopping experience. 4, the event registration whiz. Streamline your event registration process with the chatbot. This handy tool can collect attendee information using input blocks for name, email, and any other details you require. It can also answer frequently asked questions about the event venue, schedule, or speakers using text bubbles and buttons for navigation. Plus, with Typebot's integration block, you can connect your chatbot to services like Google Sheets to automatically store all the registrations, saving you the hassle of manual data entry. 5, the Lead Magnet Pro. Grow your email list and capture quality leads with a lead magnet chatbot. Design a conversational flow that offers valuable content like an ebook, checklist, or video course in exchange for the user's information. Now, this chatbot can be a powerful tool for building your email list and nurturing leads through the sales funnel. 6, the NPS survey expert. You can gain valuable insights into your customer satisfaction with a Net Promoter Score, also known as NPS, survey chatbot. Craft a simple conversational flow that asks users to rate their likelihood of recommending your product or service on a scale of 0 to 10. This chatbot can help you identify different detractors, passives, and promoters, enabling you to take action to improve customer experience and drive growth. Number 7, which is the last but certainly not the least, is the digital product payment assistant. You can monetize your digital content effortlessly with a payment chatbot. You can create a seamless purchasing experience where users can browse and buy your digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. This chatbot securely collects payment information and only delivers the content after the transaction is confirmed, thereby protecting your digital assets while providing a frictionless buyer journey. Now remember, these are just a few ideas you can get started with, because with Typebot's drag and drop interface and wide range of blocks, the possibilities are endless. Now let's get your hands dirty and build your first chatbot. I'll walk you through the steps of creating a simple chatbot using Typebot Flow Editor. Consider this a crash course of how to build a chatbot using Typebot. Chatbot using Typebot. Creating a Typebot starts by obviously creating an account, and you do that by going to typebot.io. You click on create a Typebot and you will be prompted to actually use your email address or a Google account to sign in. I'm already logged in, and that's why it led me to this page. Ignore these other Typebots here because those are the ones I just talked about. Now, to create a Typebot, all you need to do is click on create a Typebot. Obviously, you'll be welcomed with several options. 1, to create from scratch. 2, to use a template and modify it. Let's just brush through using a template. Now, if we click on creating a template, you'll be able to see some of the templates we've discussed already in the video, but let's click on just one that we haven't used before. And which one should it be? Let's go with customer support. Now, all this does is gives you a template that you can easily just run by clicking on test. If I want to edit anything, first of all, I need to see how it works. So click on test and it shows you how it is. Hey friend, how can I help you? I have a request. This is a bug. I have no question. I have a question. I have a request. If you click on any of these, it brings up what was linked to it. And if you have a request, you go to this, then you restart. This is how it was designed, and that's definitely just what this particular chatbot does. So if you are not satisfied with something here, you want to just modify it, all you need to do right now is to, let's say I want to change hey friend to hey there. I can just click on there and type there. Then click on an empty space and it modifies it. If I want to remove this, I can do that. If I want to just modify some things, I want to personalize it, I can do that. That's using templates. Now let's go to creating from scratch. If you are to create from scratch, then you only have access to this start. Then let's say I want to create a chatbot that asks for user information and sends or tells the user that their information has been collected, or just gives response based on some predefined options. What I need to do is, the bubbles here represent the message or like output. In other words, they're called outputs actually, that I want the user to see before giving me an input, which is this. So let's say it's a text that I want. I just drag this and drop it here and give it a name. Let's say welcome message. That's the name. Hello, welcome to this chatbot. Please type your name. Now I click on this empty space and it gives me this. All I need to do also is to link this. You see this plus sign on top of the mouse cursor? It shows I can link this to something like another element, and once you drag it to it, it automatically finds a way to link it. So it's linking start with that. And now after giving an output, I need to collect an input. So someone's name is in form of a text. So all I need to do is drag this. I can drag this to a separate place like this, but it will just end up making the whole flow to look so bulky. So what I can do also is to drag it to the same box, and this is it. So type your answer. I can just say type your name, and that's my name. That's the button that would come up, and yeah, that's it. So I can just click on this. Now after typing the person's name, maybe we want the person to still give us an email address. We can still add one more and say email address, then tell the person, great, now we need your email address to send you a confirmatory message. As you guessed it, we're going to drag email here, type your email, send, and this. So let me just show you what happens if you don't link this. Now if I click on test, it starts with hello, welcome to this chatbot, please type your name, and I type my name, click on this, and that's it. Nothing happens because it wasn't linked to anything. So if I link this to this and I test it again, it gives me the next option, like, all right, so great, this is it, and williams@email.com, and resend, and this also doesn't bring anything. So that's just a rough crash course on how to create your own chatbot. You can use any of these features. You can use the predefined templates to just capture some leads and capture just whatever information that you need, and you might be good to go. But if you need something custom, that's when you need to pass through this. There you have it. You've just built your first chatbot with Typebot. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to preview your chatbot to test the conversation flow and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're happy with it, hit publish to get a shareable link that you can embed on your website or share on social media. The world of chatbots is exciting, and with Typebot, you have the power to be part of it. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and build amazing chatbots that will help your business thrive. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.